In this tutorial, we're going to learn about lists in Python. A list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. It allows you to store multiple items in a single variable. To create a list in Python, you can use square brackets and separate the items with commas. Let's create a list of fruits as an example. Here, we have created a list of fruits that contains 3 items: apple, banana, and cherry. You can access the items in a list by referring to their index number. The index starts at 0 for the first item, 1 for the second item, and so on. This will print the second item in the list, which is banana. You can also change the value of a specific item in a list by referring to its index number. This will change the value of the first item in the list from apple to orange. This will print the updated list. Lists can contain different data types such as strings, integers, and even other lists. Here, we have created a list that contains a string, an integer, a boolean, and another list. Lists are useful for storing and organizing data. They allow you to easily access, modify, and add new items to a collection. I hope this tutorial was helpful in understanding lists in Python. Happy coding!